Alright, what does it mean to be a juggalo or a juggalette? To me, it's about the family and getting the respect you deserve. Showing respect to people. I mean, you're gonna hate on me, but I get that. But it don't matter. I have what I consider to be my family now. To respect me and treat me as a person. And if I'm going to get that from them and still be hated on, I really don't care because I have someone there for me. I consider being part of the family the most important part of being a juggalette. Family, I don't know, now since I became a juggalette, I mean, I've had respect I think I deserve, and I've actually had people there for me to help me out in situations. Before that, I had no one. I mean, I was just on my own, trying to figure out who I was and what I was. I wasn't getting the respect I deserved. I was being treated differently because I did not fit into their society. Because I did not fit into what people consider normal where I'm from. And I found people who actually respect me and consider me someone, consider me part of their family. I mean, I was going through some shit, and I had someone who was fucking help me through it. Who actually sat down and just talked to me through it. They didn't judge me. They didn't tell me you're just being overreacting. They didn't tell me to go away because it wasn't important. They actually wanted to help me through it. And I mean, I've found that becoming who I am now, I've gotten haters. I've been dissed on because of who I become. But in the end, it doesn't matter because I'll have someone there for me. I'll have the family and the respect I think I deserve. And if you're going to hate me for that, I don't care. The family is important to me. Respecting people is important to me. I will respect you if you respect me. If you're not going to respect me, well, fuck you. I don't know. So to me, being a juggalo or a juggalette is having respect for people and the family. Because the family is going to be there to back you up. No matter what, they're not going to fucking turn you away just because you're different. Because we're all fucking different. They respect being different. They respect individuality. In a sense, we're all the same, but we're all different in this big family of juggalos and juggalettes. So if you're not going to respect me for who I am, I don't care. I've got them, and they actually help me through my problems and treated me right. I mean, I respect that. I think I deserve the respect of people and not being turned away because I'm different. I don't think I deserve to be hated on because I'm different. But if you're going to hate me, fuck you. So I really don't care anymore. I'm so fucking happy I have found all these people. I'm so glad I have people there for me now. And I'm all the respect in the world to the family. All the respect to them. Because they respect me as a person. They respect me for being different. Because, in a sense, it's all about being different. So, I don't know really, I've been hated on since I decided to do this, since I decided to become someone, and it's just bullshit. So what if I'm different? So what if I have problems? You should fucking help me with those problems instead of pushing me away and driving me into a very bad choice. I mean, if it wasn't for my friend, Satchel, I would have probably just killed myself by now. But because of him, I found a reason to go on it. I found people who actually wanted to help me. I've had the family. I've had so much support from the family in my problems. I've had someone to actually talk to now. And I'm just fucking happy right now. And I'm so happy right now. And stuff. I'm just glad I decided to become someone. I mean, it's just bullshit though that you get hated on for being someone. So I don't really care what you think of this, or what you think of me, or who I am, or any of that, because I got my family, I got the respect I deserve, I've got haters, it's a big fucking deal, because the family is going to back me up on them, they're going to tell me it's going to be okay, and they're not going to turn me away, because I'm having a problem. They're going to help me through it, like they've been doing. So, all the haters can just go to hell. So, I mean, in my opinion, so basically, from the conclusion of this video, to me, it is about being a juggalo or a juggalette is about the respect the family gives you, the respect that you deserve as a human. the respect for being different, the respect for wanting to be someone. It is all about the respect to me, the respect of being a person, the respect of a group of individual people who consider themselves a family. So, you know what? I love my family. I love my Juggalo family. And all you haters can go to hell. Peace out. Much clan love.